Today I'm going to be reviewing Colorsport 30-Day Brow Tint. This is in dark brown. Welcome back to Selfcare Karen. It's lovely to have you here. First off, let me apologise for any background noise there might be. I'm filming this during the day. It's like the perfect opportunity for me to dye my brows and to review this product. However, I have a school next door and they're making quite a lot of noise, so I do apologise if there is any background noise here. So I started dyeing my brows at home probably about a year ago, and this is the third different product that I'm trying. I've tried Eyebrow, and I will link that video up here. And then just a little while ago, I tried the Schwarzkopf Brow Tint as well. Again, I have a video on that and I will link that here. And today we're going to be reviewing Colorsport Brow Tint. And I find that this makes a load of difference. Well, I don't know if this one does, but dyeing my brows just kind of defines my face a little bit more, and it's something that I like to do at home because it saves me a ton of kachinga and also a ton of time instead of having to go to a salon to do it. I do desperately need some help shaping my brows though, so I think I might get someone to do that professionally for me. Then I can kind of follow along for a bit because they're not in a very great shape, and I wish they weren't as sparse as they are. But you know, I lived through the 90s and the 2000s where, you know, it was the fashion to kind of have really small brows, and so I've overplucked and now I don't get hair. And I do find though that dyeing the hair kind of makes them look fuller, so that's kind of a good trick. A hack that I have recently discovered with these brow tint kits, and hopefully it'll work with this one too, is that I often get regrowth really quickly on my of my roots because I have a lot of grey hair. And using this type of a product is a really quick and easy way just to do those few little ones that have come through without actually using a whole load of product on all of your hair, and not only damaging your hair but also kind of in a way wasting product. Anyway, let's get on with this review. I do use affiliate links, so that means if you use my link to buy the purchase, I will make a small commission. You won't pay anything extra, and I put affiliate links in the video description just so that you know. Okay, let's get in with this and open the box up and see what is inside. So we've got an instruction leaflet here, and then we've got the two different tubes and a kind of a spoolie here, which hopefully is going to give great application. So yeah, so there's a tube of dye cream and a tube of developer lotion. The box says that it's a 3 quick and easy step process, up to 16 applications in this box, and the results should last 4 weeks. Okay, so 1 to 5 minutes. Wow, really? My goodness, if that is true, then that is very, very fast indeed. Okay, they recommend that you should do a skin sensitivity test or a patch test. Make sure you do that at home. Then the applications for using is you need to cleanse your eyebrows thoroughly with a non-oily cleanser to remove any makeup and natural oil. So I'll do that in a moment. If you're wearing contact lenses, you need to take them out. And then prepare one eye at a time using a cotton bud to coat the skin. Oh yeah, they say put like Vaseline around. I never do that. This provides a mask to prevent the skin around the area being dyed. Okay, well, it will wash off after a while anyway. And then you need to mix 1 centimetre of the dye cream into the mixing bowl and add 10 small drops of the developer lotion, and then mix them together thoroughly using the wand or brush. And then the mixing ratio is 1 to 1. Continue to stir until the mixture becomes a creamy consistency and does not drip. Okay, close the first eye and apply. So like they're saying, do 1 eye at a time. Leave on for 1 to 2 minutes, up to 5 minutes maximum for a more defined eyebrow. Wow, that's really fast. Normally it's a lot longer than that you leave it on. Okay, and then you remove it using dampen cotton pad that you use with lukewarm water. Okay, right, well, I'm going to get going. Let me see how I do this. First off, let me just go and cleanse my brows, and then I'm going to come back and I'm going to mix it up and show you how I do that. Okay, so I just used some micellar water on a reusable cotton pad to cleanse my brows. I didn't have any makeup on them, but I did have some cream. Okay, and now I'm going to use this plastic container here to mix up. So the dye cream, it's one of those sealed tubes. So let me just, I really need to do my nails again as well. Sorry about that. Okay, so I've just pierced the top of the tube. Right, I'm just going to put a small, I think I'm going to use this thing here to mix it. I don't know if that's what it's intended for, but I think that will be good use of that. And as far as I've been able to see, that this is available in dark brown, so I've just put the dark brown in there, and also in black. So I guess it depends what colour you're looking for. Right, now I've got to put drops in. Oh god, it's not really, okay, it's roughly the same. Hopefully you can see that. And I will now mix those two together, and I will mix them with the spoolie, and then I will apply live. I'm obviously recording this, it's in the past when you get to see it, but it doesn't make up a lot of quantity, that. Maybe I haven't mixed enough, but I'm going to go with it because I don't really need any more today. I'm not planning on doing my roots right now. I'm just going to do the brows. Okay, so I've mixed it up. There you go. And I'm going to just get rid of a bit of the excess, and I'm going to go in with this spoolie. Okay, I'm doing it using the camera, which might not be the best way. Before I leave it to set, oh, you see, I'm going to tidy it up. I'll go to a mirror because I can't really see properly in my phone camera screen. Yeah, definitely need to tidy it up. I mean, obviously, if you wanted to, you could do the Vaseline around if you wanted to really define it and not dye your skin at all, but I just can't be bothered with that. I mean, anything that's not, that I didn't want to dye, I will, like hair-wise, I can pluck afterwards. It actually helps for me for shaping my brows to have them dyed, because it just highlights the ones that I really want to go. Okay, I will tidy this up a bit because I've definitely gone over the skin mark, but I'm just going backwards over the hairs the wrong way just to make sure that they're all fully coated. Okay, and I shall leave this on for 5 minutes. I'm going to go for the full 5 because I do have some grey hairs there, and then I will come back to you and report back. Okay, so just over 5 minutes has passed, and I'm going to wipe off this dye. What I find is, I know they said use lukewarm water, but what I find, I'll try it this time, is toilet roll to begin with, just to get off the excess, and then I go in with a baby wipe. And I'm going to show you the baby wipes as well when I come back, because these have been a saviour to me for years. So let me speak about those when I have taken this off. Right, so that's all off now. I'm actually really pleased with the results. Haven't seemed to have dyed my skin too much, which is fantastic. So yeah, I'm really pleased with this purchase, I have to say. So this was the Colorsport London 30-day brow tint, and I will put an affiliate link for these in the video description, and I'll also put one for these. These are the baby wipes that I was talking to you about. So basically, I never used baby wipes until I had a baby. Imagine that. And we went through quite a few different types. Like, I started off with water wipes because I was told they were kind of the gentlest, but actually I don't know if it was me overusing them or just my son didn't agree to them. He had a big reaction to them, and I tried out lots of different types, and then I ended up with these ones. These are biodegradable ones from Boots. These are gently fragranced, they say, and actually I've come to absolutely adore the smell. For me, it like smells like babies in a nice way, because babies actually can be quite stinky winky. Yeah, and I still stock these. I still get these in I have one pack in the bathroom, another pack in the living room, because they are so good for so many different things. Will say though, even though it says biodegradable, I never ever put them down the toilet. They always go in the bin. And I also, let me just tell you about some of the uses. So spillages on fabric, these are great for getting things off. So any kind of stains on furniture mainly, that's where I use them, like the carpet and the sofa. And then also for any other kind of uses you would normally use for baby wipes. And also really great for things like this, where you're trying to just get off some dye from your eyebrows, which is not a sentence that I say very often, but there you go. Anyway, please let me know in the comments, have you tried this brow tint? Let me know. This is the third video I do reviewing brow tints. I've done Eyebrow, I've done Schwarzkopf, and now Colorsport, and I've already linked those videos throughout the video. With the Colorsport, I really liked the fact that it was so quick, 5 minutes, and for a great result. And also I did like the spoolie. I felt that made for an easy application. It's very different to the Schwarzkopf brush that is there. And I like both equally. I don't think I would say one is better than the other, but I do like the fact that with Colorsport, it's such a short period of time that you have to wait for the colour to develop. Let me know if there are other brands that you recommend. I've got one further one in mind, which I've seen every now and again, which I think I'll try. But if there's one that's your favourite or one that you're just curious about, then please do let me know in the comments, and I'll try and do a video on that coming up. And just to let you know that I also review, if you're not aware, I review lots of other beauty products on this channel. A lot of skincare, a lot of hair care. Hair care seems to be really popular at the moment, and my hair's a bit crazy messy today, but I've found some real gems. So I'll put the link to my hair care playlist up here, just in case you want to binge watch those videos. And again, any kind of recommendations of things that you'd like me to review, please let me know. And then I have like another side to my channel, which is more focusing on self-care resources for my target audience, which are busy women that are looking to enhance their self-care journey. And I upload guided meditations. I've got a playlist that I'll put here of my guided meditations. And I also do tap-along sequences for a therapy called EFT, or you might know it as tapping. Again, I shall link the playlist here. And I also sell self-care related things. So if you want to learn more about what I sell, just take a look at my website, selfcarekaren.com. You'll find details in the video description. Thank you so much for joining me today. Lovely to have you here. And remember, you are in perfect time. See you soon.